Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can initiate or begin a new chat with Gemini AI, for example, to ask the artificial intelligence various questions. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Gemini, log into your account, make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. And basically guys, what you need to do is click into a new chat in the top left or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-O, or if you're using a Mac, Command-Shift-O. And after that, you will be redirected to that new chat here. So what you want to do is use that text box at the bottom where it says Ask Gemini, so you can post your question in. So let me type in or paste that question here. For example, I would like to get provided with a weather forecast for a specific location. And that's basically it, guys. You may press enter on your keyboard to send the message or click into this button here, submit. Alternatively, guys, you may add also files, like for example, upload files such as images in JPEG or PNG to let Gemini AI, for instance, analyze it, or various documents in PDF and Word, and so on and so forth. So simply press enter, wait for a brief moment, give Gemini a moment to analyze your question, to find information about the given topic, and to provide you with a reply just in a moment. So let us give it a second. And there you go. As you can see, Gemini AI provided me or has provided me with an extensive answer like this, full of valuable information. So you may, for example, enter or type in your follow-up question here, or rate the reply as good or as bad, or ask Gemini to redo or to send another reply. You may share and export the given answer, copy it, or click into these three dots here to listen to it in voice. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. As you can see, super simple. Here to the left, you will see all your most recent chats and conversations with Gemini AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.